I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the basics out of the way fast. Update the Roblox app, then confirm your account is eligible and verified for voice chat. Next, open your phone settings and explicitly allow microphone access for Roblox so the system can deliver audio. Once done, launch Roblox, go to Settings Privacy and enable voice chat or spatial voice if visible. This activates the in-game toggle. Make sure you do these steps before testing in a game so the app can register your mic. Now focus on the detailed execution. Turn on the voice chat toggle inside Roblox settings and then restart the app to apply changes. In the app or device audio settings, confirm the active input is the phone mic and temporarily disconnect Bluetooth headsets to isolate issues. Make sure the game you join actually supports voice. Some experiences disable it. Also close background apps that might hold the microphone, and once in a voice-enabled session, check the on-screen voice indicator for your mic. To finish, perform a focus test. Invite a friend or join a party and speak while watching the voice activity icon and volume bars. If audio still fails, log out, clear the app cache, or uninstall and reinstall Roblox to remove corrupted settings. Also try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular to rule out network NAT issues and restart your device. Key troubleshooting tip: double-check account verification and microphone permission. Most persistent failures come from blocked permissions or an unverified account preventing voice features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.